My video will provide you with instructions on how to remove the unwanted browser extension called Anonymous Video Player. Anonymous Video Player is the extension designed specifically for Google Chrome. This extension, if it gets installed, actually operates as adware, and once installed it starts to display the tremendous portion of intrusive advertisements not related to the sites that you visit. If you are not happy with all these alterations into the way your browser operates, and if you don't want to see these ads, access the menu, go to Settings, go to Privacy and Security, Site Settings, go down to Permissions and choose Notifications. So pay attention to all these websites allowed to send notifications and remove any malicious sites that could cause such pop-ups. To remove extensions like that, if you don't need them, access the menu, go to More Tools, Extensions, and then disable and remove this extension. Finally, to make sure that your system is free of other threats, I recommend that you research it with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com, download the program, install the software, and start researching your system. After you successfully download and install the software, it will be initially in the trial mode. In the trial mode, only quick scan option is available so far. You need to click on Start Scan button, and most likely the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is of course definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware, or other types of computer infections. The scanning duration by Combo Cleaner will take some time, of course. It depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the system is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And at the end of the scanning, you will then see the complete summary of all the threats which were revealed on the computer. Combo Cleaner also is provided with a special anti-ransomware feature which allows you to add one or several folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. So you need to wait some time until the scanning has been successfully finalized. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the threats. You will also be able to know their exact locations on the computer. I recommend that you consider upgrading to premium license as the best solution to keep your computer always clean and free of any other threats.